Understanding Mordant Humor, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of mordant humor. This type of humor is quite unique and can be a bit challenging to understand, especially if English isn't your first language. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers of mordant humor together. Mordant humor is a form of wit that is particularly biting, critical, or sarcastic. The word mordant itself comes from a French word meaning to bite. This type of humor often involves sharp or critical commentary, delivered in a witty way. It's not just about making someone laugh. It's about making a point, often in a clever or indirect manner. Mordant humor has several key characteristics. First, it's often intellectually stimulating. It makes you think. Secondly, it can be dark or cynical, pointing out the less pleasant aspects of a situation or human nature. Thirdly, mordant humor is usually subtle, requiring a good understanding of language nuances and context to be fully appreciated. To better understand mordant humor, let's look at some examples. Think of TV shows like House, MD, or Rick and Morty, where the characters often use sharp, biting remarks to highlight absurdities or criticize something. In literature, authors like Oscar Wilde and Mark Twain were masters of mordant humor, using it to critique society and human behavior. Using mordant humor effectively requires a good grasp of the language and the culture. It's important to know your audience and understand what might be too harsh or misunderstood. This type of humor works best in situations where a critical but witty observation is appropriate. Mordant humor is a fascinating aspect of the English language, offering a unique way to convey criticism and commentary through wit. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the nuances of mordant humor. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to spot and maybe even use this type of humor in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.